Good morning everyone. I am Lucy Jessica Baro, Pharmaceutical Class A from the Citra Bangsa University. Here I would like to introduce 15 pharmaceutical terms along with the example in sentence. Number 1 is formulary. Formulary is a list of specific medications that are approved to be prescribed under a particular insurance policy. The example sentence is: the formulary prepared by the pharmacy and therapy committee is a guideline for the selection and use of drugs that are most beneficial to patients and will encourage rational drugs use in the hospital. Number 2 is delegation. Delegation is the transfer of specific act, task or function by a licensed who holds a license other than a health profession subfield license to a licensed or unlicensed individual who is otherwise qualified by education, training, or experience to perform the act, task, or function. For the example sentence is a delegation from the state or more laws with a petition. Number 3 is Medicaid. U.S. government program financed by federal, states, and local funds which cover hospitalization and medical insurance for persons of all ages within income certain limits. For example sentence, South Carolina was one of the first states to stop paying for early elective deliveries of babies under either Medicaid and private insurance. Number 4 is generic drug. Generic drug is a drug has the same active ingredient formula as a brand name drug that usually costs less. From the example sentence is: generic drug are copies of drug that have been patented other pharmaceutical companies. Number 6 is compounding. Compounding is the creation of particular pharmaceutical product to fit the unique needs of the patients. For the example sentence, compounding effect is the ability of an asset that is able to generate profits and reinvest it in order to be able to generate profits again. Number 7 is coinsurance. Coinsurance is the percentage that the insured pays after the policy's deductible is exceeded up to the policy's stop loss. For the example sentence, in health insurance, the terms of coinsurance are similar to the terms of copayments, except the copayment requires that insured to pay a fixed dollar amount at the time of service. Number 8 is audit. Audit is a planned and document activity performed by quality personnel to determine an investigation of objective evidence and adequacy by procedure and the effectiveness of their implementation. For the example sentence is financial audit, insurance, organizational registration. Number 9 is clinical pharmacy. Term is used to describe any pharmacies that are located within a hospital, typically do not offer outpatient service. The example sentence is hospital pharmacy or clinical pharmacy, as the name suggests. This pharmacy operates in a hospital or clinic and is responsible for providing medicines to patients at a healthcare center. Number 10 is central field pharmacy. One large pharmacy that packages medication and delivers them to smaller pharmacies for distribution to patients. For the example sentence, central field pharmacy contracting with an originating pharmacy or having the same owner as an originating pharmacy that provides centralized prescription drug order filling on behalf of the originating pharmacy pursuant to the desk rules. Number 11 is independent pharmacy, a commodity or retail pharmacy that is not directly affiliated with any chain of pharmacies and is not owned by a publicly traded company. For the example sentence is, an independent pharmacy is a retail pharmacy that is not directly affiliated with any chain of pharmacies and is not owned by a publicly traded company. Number 12 is specialty pharmacy, focuses on providing service to patients with often rare conditions who require high-cost, complex medications, frequently only available from a limited panel specialty pharmacies. The example sentence is, a specialty pharmacy is defined not by the site of care but the model of care and the type of service it provides to patients. Number 13 is nuclear pharmacy, a specialty pharmacy dedicated to the compounding and dispensing of radioactive material for use in nuclear medicine procedure. For example sentence is, nuclear pharmacy recognized as the first specialty area, and the profession may also have special regulation at the state level. Number 15, or the last number, is medical benefit. Generally, a defined packages of medical service developed by an insurance provider that lists what is covered. Number 15, or the last number, is medical benefit. Generally, defined packages of medical service developed by an insurance provider will list what is covered. For example sentence is, medical benefit is specially designed to provide maximum and complete protection for life to ensure that your future and your family are protected from all the possibilities that occur. Okay, I think that's all, and I hope this video can help you to understand some common pharmaceutical terms. Okay, thank you.